In this section, I'm going to show you an example of interaction between the user and Excel using hyperlinks. It's a very interesting example because here, for example, you have some data that I reported in a table. Here you can see this table here, okay? So the graph is changed. Well, basically the data for the graph is updated. Okay, this is a very interesting effect. And it's very, very simple. You will see that I'm using very few functions. Very, very few functions. And even one simple VBA function. So they're very simple. I just create a table like this. Okay. And here I have some reference. This point is the title of the graph, and here basically just when I move my mouse over the cells, I get this. Okay, it's very simple. This can be done because in Excel, when you create a function, this is available once you calculate or you click on a cell or whatever, and you can do some updates if you click on a cell or on a button. If you use the hyperlink function, then this is valid also on mouse over by default. So here we are. There is the mouse over function. There is the hyperlink function. It's very simple. Okay? If you just follow my previous course about Excel, so intermediate level of Excel, you know what I'm talking about. So when I'm talking about hyperlink function, an if error function, we'll see that this highlight series is a VBA function. Okay, now I'm going to show in the next video how to build this from scratch.